What's the meaning of admissibility? Admissibility. 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 Admissibility refers to the quality or condition of being accepted or allowed. In legal terms, it is the ability of a piece of evidence to be presented in court and considered by a judge or jury. The admissibility of evidence is based on its relevance, authenticity, and reliability. Evidence that meets these criteria is admissible, meaning it can be admitted in court and used to support a party's case. However, evidence can also be deemed inadmissible if it was obtained illegally or if it would be unfairly prejudicial to a party.